So this is my daily routine on how I make Canvans. So I take a piece of cloth on a wood, and then I wear an apron. I take my color, silky color, then I apply it to my canvas slowly and steady. After applying the silky color on my canvas, then I left it for dry until it is dry completely. So this is how we make canvas on Africa. You can support me on my channel by subscribing and leaving a comment and share if possible to your fans and family and everyone who likes that. Welcome to my channel for next video. Stay tuned.